Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're parting out a 71 900 Sportster motor. And what we have is we have the heads here. Now, I believe that the cylinder heads are off of 71. What's the bike we took off of? We had a transmission break on this bike, so we're not going to put the motor back together. I don't see any broken fins. This is questionable. I don't know if this is broken or not right here. I don't really know. If it is, it's the only damage that I see. They have very, very, very big intake valve, and I believe that's common for the 71. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm not a Sportster expert, I believe 71 was the first year for the rocker boxes to have the dip. Usually they're real thin on the 900s. So these will come assembled. Rocker arms will probably maybe need a little, very little dress up. This one's pretty good actually. They've been chromed. I don't think the chrome is good. Good day for a runner, but I don't like the chrome. And here's the other head. Now this has got a big bridge, so maybe someone filed that. I don't know. It could be fixed if so desired, if it's really broken. So this is nice. Where the intake manifold goes on, this is nice. And like I said, it's got big valves. I've never heard this motor run because of the fact that the transmission was busted when we bought the bike. The case were blown out. So this is what we have, and we're going to be selling these on our webpage. So with the exceptions of what we talked about, with possibly this bridge being dressed up, I don't know for sure, but I think it's been filed. So besides that, these are excellent heads. I wouldn't be afraid to run these. I'd probably at least lap the valves in and check the clearance between the valve guide and the stems, whatever. But they look like they're in good shape, and we see no explosions at all. So this is looking pretty good. And we are also offering the cylinders that came with this on a separate item. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and good luck.